Hello, welcome to T-Sport Bernau truck racing team, and we work very closely with PE, and PE is an aftermarket parts producer. So they produce like brake discs, which we fit to the race truck, also all the valves and the black plastic pipe, air tanks, water tanks, solenoid valves for the water control and also gearbox control, and many other parts. And basically, when we come to a point where we struggle with some parts, we actually speak to PE and ask them to see if they can produce some for us. So last year we did anti-roll bar, which you can see on a video, and we discovered that it works good, but we need to maybe go a little bit harder. So PE actually produced us some more anti-roll bar blades, and this is slightly different design, so it's a little bit thicker, and they do exactly what it says. It's to stop the roll in the truck, so we need it a little bit harder to minimize this roll. And also what they produce is some wedges for the front axle. So these fit in between the spring and the axle, and we're not allowed to run any camber. So camber's on the wheels like that. We have to run caster, so zero camber, and we run quite a big degree of caster. So as you turn, the camber comes into it. So for the dry, we can go from 2 degrees more to 8 degrees is what PE's supplied us, and then in the wet we can spin them around and get rid of the caster that way. So we have to say a huge thank you to PE, even for putting the little PE logo on the prototype parts for us. So that's really cool. And yeah, when they're doing stuff like that on prototype parts, you know that the quality is perfect. So yeah, huge thank you to the guys at PE, and we look forward to testing. We go testing this week, so we will put these through the paces, and hopefully it will make a huge difference, and we'll let you know. Thanks for watching. See you soon.